everybody, it's me, Imani, or the Hopeless Romantic, and I'm back. And I'm doing something that I really enjoy doing that I don't get to do that much. I'm doing another Took the Look. I recreated a version of a look that I saw from Issa Rae, a photo shoot she did for a magazine. The picture should be appearing on the screen here somewhere. But I'm going to recreate, I say a version because she has very small braids, and I just didn't want to sit that long and braid my hair that small. So I did kind of an easier version of it, and I'm gonna share with you guys the process. I am using my clip-ins from Knappy Hair. Here's one that I didn't use, but I've had these for over 2 years. I have plenty of videos with them on here and on Instagram, so you can check that out. They're still very full. I mean, this is a little crunchy because I didn't wash it before I blew it out again to create this teased look. But child, I have combed these, brushed these, flat ironed them, wand curled them. If as you can see, this is a terrible dye job that I did 2 years ago, but they're still going strong, and I still wear them frequently, and they look good, they feel good. You wash them and condition them just like your regular hair. Yeah, so if you would like some, the link will be in my comments to purchase, and an offer code. Use code FROMANTIC when you shop. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial.
Alright, so here's me. Hi guys. You're gonna start by parting your hair half up, half down. These braids do not go all the way down to the back of your head. I was struggling, but we made it. Then there's one braid in the middle. Oh, well, first of all, you want to pick your hair out or comb it out and make sure everything's okay at the root so you're not tangling it unnecessarily. Then there's one braid in the middle, so you're going to part and make that one braid first. Again, I did mine way bigger than the braids that Issa had because I just was not about to sit through all those tiny little braids. And you put the hair that you're not using to the side. Alright, once you've got your middle piece of hair for your braid, you can take some braid gel, any kind. I'm using Shining Jam. I like the way it makes my hair feel. So you put some of that on there so you get a clean braid. I'm not the best at parting, and I'm not super great at cornrows, but I'm okay. So this is gonna look, it's not gonna look professional, but it's gonna look good. Boom, and you got your braid straight to the back. And you do braid them all the way down to the end, just not all the way down the back of your head. There you go. Now, on these, you're gonna part them in like an L shape. I have a mirror off to the side because again, I'm really not that great at parting. So I couldn't just part by looking in the little display screen. I had to look in that mirror. So yeah, you got your L shape, and you're just gonna braid down and back. Now again, Issa had very tiny braids. I just don't see it for me ever braiding that many braids into my head. She probably had some hair added too. These are not feed-ins, and I didn't add any extra hair to this. But of course, you know, if your hair is not as thick as mine or as long as mine or whatever, do what you need to do to make it look the way that you want. So if you want to add some hair, do it. I think it'd be really cute. And you just do that again right next to the braid that you just did. Now again, I did mine much bigger. So I only did, I think, 3 of the L-shaped braids. And then I went and did something else to the last little pieces of hair in the back, which I will show you in just a moment. But, I mean, you can do as many as you want. I just, again, was not about to sit through a bajillion braids on each side. And then I just split that last section into 2 and just did the braids straight back like the one that's in the middle. Well, I tried at least. Now, once you've done that, I mean, that looks pretty good for somebody who's not a professional. You're going to do the exact same thing on the other side and try to get them as symmetrical as possible. Again, I think I did okay. They're not perfect, but they are giving the look that I was going for. So now it's time to put your hair in a ponytail so we can add our clip-ins on the end. I pulled those up first and wanted to get my ponytail in the back a little smooth. I just used the same braid gel and a little bit of Murray's hair wax. Not a lot because, again, it's a braided style. It's kind of textured. I didn't really need for it to be like super slick, and I wasn't planning on wearing it for that many days. But if you wanted to wear it longer, of course, you use what you need to use to slick that down. But anyway, then you braid the ends down. Yes, you plait that your top braids into that last braid, and then you're going to take your clip-in and wrap it around your ponytail, starting at the end and starting with the clip-in with the least amount of clips. So if you have clip-ins with like 2 clips, use those first on the very end of your ponytail and then work your way up. And so we're going for a full, like, lots of volume and teased. So you want to add as much hair to the end of your ponytail as you possibly can. Don't spare yourself. Add lots of it. And I actually added a lot to the base of the ponytail too, like the part that's closest to my head. I kept adding. I think there's like 8 little clip-in pieces maybe, and I think I used all but one of them. But I made the base really thick too because I wanted a lot of volume. I put that last one very, very close to the braids. I didn't want the ponytail itself to show. I just wanted it to look like the braids kind of went down into a big, voluminous ponytail. I did a pretty good job on those braids now that I'm looking at them. Go ahead, me. Then I took a thick piece of hair and I didn't get it super neat because we're going to tease the ends and make it real big and kind of messy. So I wanted the base of the ponytail to not be like very sleek and neat. You can kind of see a little bit of my clip-in at the back, but whatever. Who's going to fight me about it? Yes, swing. Took a little hairspray, sprayed it on my hair. Now, the clip-ins were already a little stiff because I had done wand curls on them before, and all I did before doing this video was spray a little water on it and blow them out with my little blow dry brush thing. So it was already kind of stiff and ready to be teased. So to tease the hair, you're going to take a comb or a pick and you're going to comb upward. Hold the bottom of the hair and comb it upward. It's gonna tangle it. It's okay. And that's it, guys. I hope you love this look. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.